Hello and welcome to the first video tutorial on the NeXuS S1000D cloud. This series of short video tutorials is intended to be supplementary to the online documentation and gives quick guidance and an overview on some of the common functions within the system. You'll be able to find all the videos in the series listed on our YouTube channel and website. This first video is just a brief overview of the environment. To log into your company's NeXuS S1000D cloud environment, open your browser and type your company name, followed by .csdb.techdocs.co.uk. You can save this as a shortcut or bookmark for ease of access. Enter your username or email, followed by your password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also be asked for an identification number, which you can access from your mobile phone. The first thing you'll see on logging in is the overview dashboard. This gives some useful information to the team about projects and gives various data module statistics. This dashboard can be customised and the widgets resized and moved depending on user preference. On the right, you can access your notifications, which inform you, for example, when work has been assigned to you for authoring or reviewing. There is also the instant messenger pane, where you can private message other members of your team. Also on this side of the screen is your user menu, where you can do tasks such as reset your password, change your profile picture, change other personal settings and log out. Now, let's look at the main menu on the left. The menu items that are visible to you will vary depending on what project you have selected and what roles and permissions you've been assigned by your company's superuser on that selected project. To select a project, choose Projects and Project List. Click Select on one of the listed project panels. The other submenu items within Projects menu is Project Users. Here, the project administrator can allocate users to the selected project and assign roles to those users. Allocating users and roles is a superuser function, so depending on your access rights, you may not see this menu item. Roles and permissions are extremely customizable and will be discussed in a later video. In the next video, we'll look at the Data Modules menu and give an overview of the DMRL view.